Okay, welcome to Tsune cooking. Today I make raisin drop cookies. That's all you needed is raisin, stick butter, 3 eggs, salt, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, white flour, and sugar. Okay, now we're gonna start it. Now first you did a two cup raisin. Cup. 2 cup raisin and 1 cup water. One cup water. Okay, you cook about 5 minutes. Cook about 5 minutes. Cook for 5 minutes. Then you can make a cool. Okay, that's the raisins that got cool now. Now we're gonna put some teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix it up. Baking soda and mix now. Okay, now 2 cup sugar, 1 cup shortening. You need 1 cup shortening to be 2 stick butter. 2 stick butter and 2 cup sugar. One cup. Two cup of sugar. Mix all together, make creamy. Then you put teaspoon vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla. Then three egg. Three egg. Three egg. Okay. Then you beaten. Mix it up. What's that thing? Eggshell. Stir it up. Mix it up and then put the raisin mixture. Okay, add the raisin mixture. Then mix raisin mixture. Okay, then put 4 cup flour. 4 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 spoon nutmeg. 1/4 spoon nutmeg. And about half a spoon of the salt. Okay. Then mix together. Up and see, you just mix it up. See, so not stiff enough. You put not stiff enough. You put half a cup more water, half a cup more flour. Mix it up all that. Okay, now after stiff enough, so I'm gonna bake it and then put them in the baking sheets. Okay. Sono qui da oven 350 oven. And you bake it. That's all. Take it back. Like a teaspoonful, you know, just make a teaspoonful of it. Here you go. Okay. Oh, drop eh? Oh, that's good now. Flat na. I get to come kind of pretty big. Okay. Okay, now we put them in the oven. Make it yeah. Maybe not too high up with that, I don't know. Okay, they bake about 15 minutes until you get them lightly brown. Okay, now about 15 or 20 minutes, let's see how chocolate get done. So, take it out. Yeah, done. See? Now, have to share. See this. Oh, down. Oh, pretty. Okay, and now that's all done. See how it got done a jacket, you know. Yeah, done, kind of lightly brown. That's all done. And that's good. That's good. They have to cool off. Okay, so cool off. Wherever you can just take it off the pan. Take it off the pan. Oh, that one's good. Pretty good. See? See? And that's pretty good. So see? Put it that's all done. So you can put in a bowl wherever you want to do, and you can go for cooking. So, see, go for cooking. Okay, another raisin cooking. See, it's all done. The blue ribbon in the candy fair. So, how would you join yourself?